The memory seat system enables you to store positions for the driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors using these controls on the driver's side door. To store a set of positions, first ensure that the shift position is in park with the ignition switch in the on position. Adjust the driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors to the desired positions by manually operating each adjusting switch. Push the Set switch, and within 5 seconds, push Memory Switch 1 or 2. The indicator light for the pushed memory switch will illuminate and remain on for approximately 5 seconds. If the memory has been stored, a chime will sound. If a new set of positions is stored in the same memory switch, the previous memory positions will be overwritten. The positions stored using the driver door switches cannot be linked to the intelligent keys. Your vehicle is also equipped with the entry-exit function. This feature automatically moves the driver's seat back and the steering column up, if so equipped, when the driver's door is opened with the ignition switch off, or the ignition switch is turned from on to off with the driver's door open. The driver's seat and steering column will return to their previous positions when the ignition switch is placed in the on position. To enable or disable the entry-exit function, use these controls to select Settings, Vehicle Settings, Driving Position, then Exit Seat Slide or Exit Steering to toggle these functions on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.